Hello guys, we're back to my video. So today we got 200 stakes. So anyways guys, if all of my videos are channel, should like subscribe. So anyways guys, we're gonna play. So that is the easiest game and impossible yet in the world. So anyways guys, we're going to touch this game. So anyways guys, the first of our videos on the channel, so anyways guys, we're gonna play. So anyways, we're not gonna touch this nether portal or just I don't know what it is. Okay, only got three. You need to just hold up. Like, give them like and favorite if you support this game, the game. Yes, I know. I need to support this game. So guys, we're gonna beat this game for a while. So favorite if you support this game, guys. So guys, this could be the six sequence. I'm going to just read. Okay, give them like and favorite if you support the game. Yes, I know. There is the sequence to take is guys. So guys, only got 0 Robux because I have a new head because I am a robot, guys. So good. So I'm going to just yell at this because I'm going to just beat that game for a while. Nonsense. This is the nonsense in this game for a while. So this is the goodest YouTuber ever. Okay. I got no help, so that's okay. That is a good idea. I like this game. This game is pretty good because I am not used to that. So we're going to beat that game right now. Okay. So guys, we're gonna beat that game for checkpoints. Okay. So guys. We need to support this game for a very long time. I got 14. Yes, I only got 14 I guess. Okay, so I'm slow because I need to speed read this. So I need to just yell because I don't know what to cover this. I need to just read because I don't know what to cover this. But this the rainbow stairs to take is. So anyways guys. So I'm gonna touch the rainbow stairs. Only got green and purple. Only got sequence of stage. But it's 70 stage, I guess. Okay, so I only got sequence, I guess. So I'm gonna be stuck there. Only got this. I need this. Only got 18 stage. Only got 19 stage, I guess. Okay, 20. So this the easiest game that impossible yet. So anyways guys, I don't really sure that it's people out there. Only got one player. I have one player. This that's only got 0 players. And I'm going to beat that game because it's gotta be easiest game. Easiest game in the world. So I'm gonna beat that. Okay. So this is a very long video. Let's start my new video. So anyways guys, checkpoints. I don't know what to do this. Anyways guys, we're gonna beat that game for nonsense. So here's the bacon, I guess. So we're going to just beat that game. I don't know, but it's just, I know, 6:30, I guess. Okay, I got 300. Come on. Oh my god. I got 18, 28. What is 28, I guess? 28 times 1, I guess. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 2. Oh wait, 2 plus 2 is 4, and also 4 plus 4 is 8, and it's, 8 plus 8 is, I don't know. I don't really sure what the fact is. It's probably 19 or something. Everyone comes or 16 or 19. We need to support this game for a while, okay? So I'm gonna beat that game for non-stopping for this headset on Roblox. So I like this headset because it's gotta be old. It's new, I guess. It's new. It's probably new, I guess. Yes. You want to add Roblox Fun a bit of 200 speeds of to favorite? Yes, I know. Yes. But I need to beat that game. Okay, only got 36, I guess. Okay, that's good, guys. So, guys? Only got, 37, I guess. 37 minutes straight, I guess. I got 4 minutes ago. So, I'm not gonna end up there. So, that is the easiest game. I got 39. Give me the 39 and pictures. So, 40. So, okay, so, guys, I only got 42. What the? Oh, wait. 43. 43, I guess. Okay, I only got 43. Okay, give me a 44. 44 stage, I guess. Okay. So, I am getting headache because I want to beat that game. I got 46. Come on. 46. 47. Come on. Come on. 48. 48, guys. 48. Ana 80. Romangin Jago. Romangin Jago. Yes. I got 50. Guys, 50 stage, guys. I like this game. This game is easy, guys. So, anyways, I'm not gonna lie. Very sure. Anyways, look at capacity, guys. But I'm gonna beat that game at all. Okay, so anyways, guys, we're gonna beat this game. So we're gonna beat that game. Give me a bad squad. If I would just beat this game, they give me a bad squad because we made it to the. And then what? We made it to the 200 stage, I guess. Let's see what the thing is. Okay, so anyways, guys, we're going to beat that game and whole thing. I'm not gonna touch it. No. It. No. Come on. You need to not touch it now. Okay, so only got this one. Okay, ruin this thing. Ruin the party or not. Only got six specific is. That's a hairball or something else. Green, blue. Okay, that's the color scheme other. Wait. Red, green, yellow, green. I don't know, blue. I guess I don't know. It's pink, blue, pink, red, pink. So I only got 60, guys. Don't lie because I wanted to just beat that game. So that is the easiest game in the world. Okay, 61. Give it up, 62. Give me that. Okay. Come on, this is the easiest game. Come on. 62. 62, I think is yes. Come on. Oh my god, this game. Oh my god, easy. Oh my god, this is the long one. Oh, this is the long one. 65, please. 65, please. Come on. Oh my god, 66. Yes. Come on, this is the long video. This is the long video, guys. Okay, so I only got 6 guys. Okay, so guys. We're going to just keep jumping. Okay, so I only got 67, I guess. 67 minutes. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, sure. Come on, 69. I need to just. Bro, I am slow. I need that you're gonna run faster, I guess. Let me know in the comments, okay? We got 70. 70. Yes, that is the easiest game in the world. So, I guys, that is good. So I like this game. This game is so good. This game is so wild. This game is so awesome. This game is so realistic. And this game is so good. This game is so awesome. This game is so easy. This game is so awesome. This game is so good. Because this game is so fun. This game is so realistic. Because this game is so on this thing. I don't know. This is the hard way. Okay, so only got 75. I guess I'm slow. I am slow timer. I'm slow time, I guess. I'm jogging. Look at me, I'm jogging out there. So I'm gonna jog. What the heck is this? I don't really think so right now. Okay, so this guys, we're gonna just do that again. So I'm gonna just run. I'm running very slow. Guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Yes, I accidentally touched the silver seconds. Come on. I got 80. 80. Come on. I need to just beat this game. I got 81. 81. 81. Ah, okay, I only got 82 because it's so hard. So it's not interesting. Okay. 83. Come on, 83 guys. Okay, so this is the easiest game. This is the longest video I've ever seen in my life. Okay. Hey, what is hey? Huh? Let's get this time. Okay, 86. Come on. 87. Yay. Ah! Oh, I got 87, please. 7 minutes. Come on. 88, please. I wanted to beat that game. Look up. Come on. This is the hard way. There. 89. 89. Guys, 89. Come on. We need to beat this game. Beat the female. Male or female. Yes. Wow. Okay. I got 81. 91. Okay. That's good. Oh, wait. Okay. That's good. Ah? Okay, that's good. Okay, checkpoints. And I got 94. 94. Come on, come on. 90. Come on, check. Come on. 96. 96. Come on. Come on. 97. The back. 90. Yeah. Yes. Let's go, guys. So, no, it's guys. Wow. Okay. So, beat that guy. So, we're going to beat that too. Okay. Let's go. I got one everyone. Let's go. Good idea ever. So, I like this game. Yes, so good. Yes, so good. Really got this food. Give, game. Come on. Yes, the game. Okay, that's good. I just feel at this. Okay, so ano guys? I got 1. I got 11 minutes. I guess 11 minutes. So this is 16 na So ano guys? So I got 105 stage. I guess 6 stage. I guess thing is because I wanted to just beat that game and whatever. So ano guys? I'm gonna touch whatever I want to. I only got 107. I will be this number because I'm really gonna beat this number. I'm doing that. Okay, so ano guys? I gotta just go like this. I got one pathetic is, I got 108, 100. What is 100 I think is, okay, so only is, this is long time I guess, so otherwise, I remember. Okay guys, so I have no help, so guys, we need to support this game. This game so awesome, cause this Roblox we're gonna ban it. I just banned in, at 2020 I guess 20 or 2025 in March. I just banned in I don't know the correct. Okay, I have unbanned now. So thank you Roblox. I love you Roblox and I'm going to kiss you. Mwah. I like Roblox. So anyways guys, I'm gonna play Craftman or Minecraft. Let me know in the comments. I made this in a very long time. Says we're gonna play this in 2021 or 2025. So that is the thing. That is the thing is I just uploaded a new video. It's just the first video. I think it keeps running fully ahead. So guys, I got 169 saves. I guess so. Guys, only got 17. I guess so. Only got 17. Give me 18. So guys, I'm gonna beat that game. This awesome game. A new awesome game. I guess of stage. So only got 120. I guess so. This music is gonna be creepy. It's just good. It's gonna be not creepy, so that is good. I wanted to just be in you, I guess. Be in you, I love you. Oh, oh my god. Okay, so anyways, guys, I'm gonna touch the arrow because pointing at the checkpoints or stage, I guess. Now, poop you fatigue. I didn't even see that. Okay, so YouTube. So that YouTube just told me, I guess. Okay, so I'm not gonna chat very quick today, so I'm just gonna chat. Only got 25, I guess. So I'm gonna just spin around like a turtle. Okay, so we're going to spin like a turtle like this. Okay, looks like the same as the green and I guess. But in 2018, I have a new video of the new games of the Baldur's Basic and everything is gonna learning. That's me, so. This new feature guys. So the new update in this game called Baldur's Basic and Education Learning. Okay, so alam ko, I'm a new guys. I'm a new. Okay, and I got 130, so that is the easiest game in the world. So otherwise, we're going to break that game in easy mode. I guess. I got 14 minutes. Oh, 14 minutes I guess. 14 minutes ago. So otherwise, we got. So we need to support this game of my favorite now. I need to favorite on you. I just favorite on you guys. And this just messed up in this game. Because this game is so not hard. This game is easy. I like easy. So not hard. Not hard at all. Okay, so anyways guys. I got checkpoints. All I got checkpoints I think is. So we're going to checkpoints. At exclamation I think is on checkpoint or question mark or exclamation. We're going to beat the game. Beat the game. Okay, all got mark, so that is the game. Okay. Let's go. See little bumblebee. I was so on me. Yes, please the copyright because I like this. You say Steal it. I accepted you from yes. Okay. Come on. Before. Wait, did I just glitch the game? Wait, hold on. How? Wait, come on. Wait, did I just glitch the game? Oh my god. Did I just glitch the game? Okay, that's good. Oh my god. I actually glitched the game. Okay, that's good. I accidentally glitched the game. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. We need to beat the game. Wait, take your time. Okay, take your time. For the Stupid! Oh, yes. Oh! 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 Ow! Wait. What's the matter? Okay, let's go. Be happy. Okay, so hello guys. That is the funniest video game in ever. There's a video. So long is getting. No, inside out. What the hell? Booty. Come on, I need to beat that game. Please. I need to beat that game. Oh my god, okay. Candy! Come on! This is the loudest game. Come on. Okay guys, so we're going to beat that game. Because it's gonna be loudest mode. The loudest mode in ever. Okay? So we're going to at the Roblox starter. Because I am a Roblox. Because I'm a Roblox starter. I'm ready. Okay guys. Sorry guys. I made you so loud. Okay, come on. So honest guys. I made you fake yan. What's that? No fake, please. I'm begging you. No fake, please. It's realistic video, guys. So honest, guys. I'm not faking. Yeah. So this is the video. This is the video. This is the longest video. This is the longest video in a while. Okay. So honest guys, I'm not gonna touch the race laser. This laser is probably good red. It's the red. Okay guys, what this long video? Oh my god, this is the long video. Okay. Let's go. We need to beat that game. Come on. Come on, I need to beat that game. Come on, I need to beat that game, guys. So honest guys, this is the biggest long video in this channel. So I like this. I like this game. Oh my god, okay. Let's go. Cut video, I guess. Okay, I don't want to play this. DJ likes games, I guess. Okay. Come on. 73. I only got 70. Okay, I only got the longest video. I like this. Game so the longest game, okay? Impossible yet, I guess. Okay. Oh, no. Oh god. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Okay. 79, I guess. Go. Bro, I am jogging! No! Bro, I am jogging! Stop jogging! I'm running faster! Oh my god. Because I'm slow. Because I got speed on this. Okay, speedrun. Maybe I can forget this mother, I don't know, because I really hate this. Why I'm jogging? Bro, why I'm jogging? I'm jogging now. One. Why I'm jogging now? Because I'm jogging with the nowhere. I need to jog very quickly, yes. Okay, so anyway. Something. Feeling. Okay. Okay. Spin around. Yes. Okay, I just speed run like this. Yes. Let's speed run. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. This is an awesome game. Ow. Uh. Oh. No, no, no. 91. Uh-uh. Okay. I hear lava. I hear lava to this. Okay, I hear lava. Or is the lava just doing it? Okay, I hear lava just being right here because it's really is disturbing. Disturbing I think. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it, okay? Come on, I need to reach the 100,000 stage. 1 billion stage, okay? Come on, I need to beat that game, please. 99, please. Please, 200. 200 video. Come on. Yes, 200. Give me a better one. Yes. Okay, I'll go on to Argo 7 account here because I'm going to odd. Yes, I become a dude now. Give me the green one. Yay! So this is the easiest game in the world. So I don't care if you guys have videos on the channel. Make sure to subscribe. So I don't care. Goodbye guys.